Ever found yourself staring at an unexpected bill, or maybe just a few days away from payday and your fridge is looking tragically empty? We've all been there, right? That moment when you need a little financial boost, and fast. That's where apps like Beforepay come in, promising to bridge that gap. But here's the real question: in a world where financial trust is paramount, how trustworthy is Beforepay, really? Let's cut through the marketing jargon and get real. Beforepay positions itself as a responsible alternative to payday loans, offering access to a portion of your upcoming pay before it hits your account. Sounds convenient, doesn't it? But convenience doesn't automatically equal trustworthiness. We need to dig deeper. First, let's look at the mechanics. Beforepay connects to your bank account, analyzes your income and spending habits, and then offers you a pay advance. They don't charge interest, which is a big plus. Instead, they charge a fixed fee for each advance. This fee structure is definitely more transparent than the often obscure interest rates of traditional payday lenders. However, the devil is in the details. The amount you can borrow is limited, and it's determined by their algorithm. This algorithm, while designed to assess your affordability, is a black box. We don't know exactly how it works, and that lack of transparency can be a bit unsettling. What if it underestimates your income? What if it overestimates your expenses? These are questions that need answers. Then there's the question of data privacy. Beforepay accesses your bank account data. That's a lot of sensitive information. While they claim to use bank-level security, the reality is that any data breach can have serious consequences. Are you comfortable handing over that level of access? Another important factor to consider is the potential for dependency. While Beforepay promotes responsible borrowing, the ease of access could lead some users to rely on it too frequently. If you're consistently using pay advances to cover basic expenses, it might be a sign of a deeper financial issue that needs addressing. It's a quick fix, not a long-term solution. Furthermore, consider the fees. While fixed, they can add up if you're frequently using the service. It's important to calculate if the fees are justifiable compared to the amount you are borrowing and the length of time you are borrowing it for. The app's user reviews offer a mixed bag. Some users praise its convenience and helpfulness, while others complain about unexpected fees or limitations on the amount they can borrow. It's clear that experiences vary widely. Ultimately, the trustworthiness of Beforepay comes down to your individual needs and circumstances. It's not inherently bad, but it's not a silver bullet either. If you're facing a genuine short-term financial need and you understand the fees and limitations, it might be a useful tool. But if you're struggling with chronic financial instability, you're better off seeking professional financial advice. Do your own research. Read the fine print. Understand the fees. And most importantly, be honest with yourself about your financial situation. Don't rely on quick fixes that might create bigger problems down the line. It is important to remember that they are a business and are there to make a profit. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.